Okay, so this is how you seal a puncture on a burst soccer ball. Once you find the hole, which is here, you cut a flap in the foam, either surface of the ball. Okay, so we have a flap created with the foam and the foam backing. Underneath that there's a layer of fabric that you prise off the bladder underneath. This is the leak in the bladder, which you can repair with a normal bicycle repair patch. So apply the glue, leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, and then put the patch on over the hole. Now, I just need to repair the hole in the foam. I use glue fix, but any household strong glue would work. Push it back into place and seal it over until the glue is dried. Glue is dried. I take off the This is our patch. I pump it up.